Hi, I'm Joyce Stein with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Laffey International, a Warren Buffett company. Running around today, but made a quick stop to let you in on the best kept secret coming on the market. Country Club Home, Wheatley Schools, and it has it all. Beautiful, beautiful oversized property, lushly landscaped gardens. This house is exceptional for entertaining, for family relaxation, and for building memories. This exceptional home has a true garden. Where else do you see butterflies floating around, as well as bees pollinating in this lushly landscaped, amazing country garden? As a trusted real estate advisor, I combined local expertise with vast global connections to deliver my luxury clients the best in-class results. Call me if you have any interest in this beautiful home. Please be sure to contact me, Joyce Stein. Looking forward to meeting you.